Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the raw materials, text, images, and any attachments you'll embed. Choose page size and image resolution now, A4 versus letter, 72 to 300 dpi, because that directly affects file size. Once done, set a target in kilobytes so you can balance quality versus compactness. Make sure to rename files cleanly and remove unused assets. This reduces surprises later. Begin assembling in your editor, so the export step will reflect the size and visual choices you made here. You now assemble pages and apply consistent styles to control layout and avoid reflows that bloat files. Compress images and pick JPEG or ZIP compression depending on image type. Vector art stays small and sharp, so prefer SVG/PDF vectors. Subset fonts to include only used glyphs. Embedded full font files, add KB quickly. When exporting, tweak downsampling and quality settings, and enable linearize or optimize for web to reduce overhead. These steps shave KB, export the PDF using your optimized settings, and immediately check the file size in KB against your target. You should open the file and verify visuals, text flow, interactive elements, and attachments to confirm fidelity. If the file is too large, remove unused fonts, recompress troublesome images at a lower DPI, or split the document into parts. These fixes usually solve size issues. If links break, re-embed or relink assets. Make sure to re-export and recheck until the PDF meets both size and quality goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.